This project, the trees that are being planted today, are through some funding we got from Environment Canada's EcoAction community funding program, and also sponsorship that we got from our neighbor here, the wind farm that's adjacent to this property, which is Gunn's Hill Limited Partnership. We applied on behalf of the Oxford County Trails Council, and many of the members are out here helping us plant today. But the goal of this project was to improve the habitat along Cedar Creek and in Cedar Creek, to build riffles and pools and deflectors, and plant trees and do some other wildlife improvements that are going to have benefits to water quality and for the wildlife habitat that's here.
Of course, the Upper Thames River Conservation Authority, along with the Oxford County Trails Council and the County of Oxford, obviously, and even Ducks Unlimited. So many different associations have gotten together to do some great work here. And funding comes from everything from Environment Canada to the Cowan Foundation, Cowan Foundation being the insurance company, of course, to be able to make this tree planting such a success. Of course, the Upper Thames River Conservation Authority would love to get a few trees donated here and there, but a lot of it's bought and purchased through funding. And then, of course, the crew from the Upper Thames is here today. Many Upper Thames people and Trails Council people are here planting, I'm going to say hundreds of trees. Is it 600, 700, 800 trees, both along the river here and along the pond and other areas in what's called the Hodges Pond area.